Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, ensure battery above 50% and remove any SD card. Hold the correct buttons for your model, typically volume up plus power plus Bixby or volume up plus power until recovery appears. Once the logo shows, release and wait for the menu. You do this because accessing recovery bypasses settings restrictions. Make sure you see Android recovery text. If recovery isn't appearing, retry the exact timing. Small variations in press duration often fix it. Once in recovery, start with Wipe Cache Partition to clear system caches and possibly reveal the factory option. Navigate with volume keys and confirm with power. If Wipe Data/Factory Reset is missing or grayed out, inspect other entries like Repair Apps, Mount/System, or Apply Update from SD card. Some firmwares relocate the reset. Use Apply Update from SD if you have an update. Zip to trigger recovery level actions. You're doing this to force the system to expose reset. When the reset option appears, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm. This clears user data and resolves software locks. After completion, choose Reboot System now and be patient. First boot can take several minutes. If the reset still won't run, repeat Wipe Cache Partition then attempt reset again. Alternatively, re-enter recovery using a different button timing. If nothing works, the key troubleshooting tip is to retry exact button sequences and try both cache wipe and alternate recovery entries before concluding a hardware issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.